In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recall an email in Gmail with our full 2025 guide. Have you ever found yourself hitting send on an email only to immediately wish you could take it back? It's not an uncommon scenario, and thankfully Gmail has a feature that can help with just that. Let's walk through this process step by step, ensuring you're equipped with the tools to manage your emails more effectively. First things first, to leverage Gmail's email recall feature, you'll need to enable the undo send option if you haven't already. To get started, open Gmail in your web browser. Once you're there, look to the top right-hand corner of your screen and click on the gear icon. This will bring up your settings menu. From here, select See All Settings. Within the settings, you'll see various tabs. Make sure you're on the General tab. Scroll down until you find the Undo Send section. This is where you can set how much time you have to undo sending an email. You can choose between 5, 10, 20, or 30 seconds for the send cancellation period. For maximum flexibility, consider setting it to 30 seconds. After you've made your selection, don't forget to scroll down and hit Save Changes. This ensures that your preference is applied to your account. Now, with your settings adjusted, let's compose a new email. Go through the usual process without any worry, drafting your message, addressing it, and so forth. Once you're ready, hit send. But remember, this is where the magic of the undo send option comes into play, especially if you realize there's something you need to change right after sending. As soon as you send your email, you'll notice a small message sent notification appearing at the bottom left corner of your screen. Crucially, this notification includes the much desired undo prompt. To cancel sending your email, simply click undo, and you must do this before the cancellation period you set earlier expires. This action will reopen your email in draft mode, giving you the opportunity to make any necessary edits. If for any reason you miss the cancellation period, the email will be sent as usual, and unfortunately, you won't have the option to recall it afterward. However, when you do manage to click undo in time, your email pops back open. Here, you have two choices. If it was a minor issue, edit and correct your email, then resend it confidently. Alternatively, if you've had a change of heart, you can delete the draft entirely. So next time you find yourself second guessing an email you've just sent, remember, you can easily take it back using these steps. Gaining control over your email timing can save you a lot of time and potential miscommunication. We hope this guide empowers you to manage your Gmail account even more efficiently. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.